Hey friends, what's up y'all? I am here introducing this video finally of our van building camp out. We've had a lot going on that we'll be catching you up with. I've been to Wisconsin, we went to West Virginia, all kinds of stuff has been going on here at the homestead and just out on the road. So we'll catch you up to all of that. For now, enjoy this video and I promise you van tour videos are coming soon, right after this, I promise. So thanks for watching and please remember to subscribe and share and comment. We really appreciate your questions and comments and your feedback and your input. This is meant to be an interactive space. We're sharing our journey. We're not experts and we are just learning as we go and we enjoy doing that with you. So please engage with us and let us know what you think, what you're interested in knowing about here. That always helps because there is always so much going on. To pick out one thing to video about and to, do all that, it helps us if we know what you're interested in. So again, enjoy this video and we'll see you in the van tour videos. Thank you so much. Okay, hold on.
Nice. I like that.
Yeah,
Nice.
perfect. Okay, so when we get back, we're gonna see what this looks like.
Just hand it. Don't wrap it anymore. Just hand it up, and then I'm gonna hand it right back to you because you take that part back, and I'm gonna put a twist tie on this part.
Getting those lights up. Whoa! Did that distract you?
Don't do that.
Yeah.
You want me to get them in anyway, though?
I get it.
You probably want this because I don't think it's vegan.
I'm sure.
Well,
What is
no, it's just caramel and sugar. I'll go look it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say I've been trying to give. Well, not trying. I've been giving up sugar.
All right. Phoenix is setting up the tea blending table, generously donated by Herbalists Without Borders. Wish Flower Gardens Project. Thank you very much. I appreciate your help.
No problem. I appreciate you.
Wait, what?
Because I haven't posted.
Okay.
With that, there's no money.
James's consistency is inspirational.
Yes. Yours is nuts, James. Like, I just want to get on your level. All right.
well, that's all I do, and I make money.
Denise
That's
is
right.
trying some. What'd you just try?
Calendula
Okay. How's it taste?
doesn't taste like
No,
anything.
nothing strong. Okay, no strong flavor.
Not at all.
She's making a blend here at the tea
I've
blending
got
table.
pineapple weed and goji calendula.
Okay.
Throw some
What's this next
hawthorn.
one? Oh, hawthorn berries. Support that heart.
So can you eat those just?
Oh yeah, well, you can try it. They're pretty hard.
Okay.
The goji berries you can chew on without heating them up. The hawthorn berries, because they're in the same family as cherries and apples.
Okay.
So they're basically like little apples.
That's different.
Mm-hmm.
Not in a bad way. Oh, I have mountain mint in there.
Oh, nice. Yeah, the mountain mint's good.
No, what's juniper?
Juniper is what they make gin out of.
I do too. I've been trying to be modest.
You starting off the holder.
All right, so we're on day 2, Saturday morning of our van build and camp out. Everybody that was planning to arrive last night arrived safe and sound, and that was the goal. The first night is just everybody get here safe and sound, and then we figure it out from there, and that's exactly what we did. Everybody got their parking spots. We got a couple tents. Most people are in vans of some kind. We're going to show you some of those a little later as we get going. It drizzled a little bit this morning. Hopefully not so much that it changed the ground where there isn't gravel, because that's a whole other situation, but we should be good. We got enough people here to take care of whatever needs to be handled. So I'm looking forward to seeing what projects everyone's working on today. We talked about that last night. Didn't film a lot yesterday. You know how that could be with when you're planning things and you got other things going on. We just got our van back a few days ago. Didn't know if we were even going to have it because they had some major work done, but it's doing pretty good now. Khalid had to rent a car to go to an event he needed to be at in DC, so he'll be back in a little while. And yeah, he should be pulling up in a minute, and I'm hard boiling some eggs for some people that asked for them. We had delicious soup last night from an old friend of mine, Bridget. Shout out Bridget from Big Soup. She's got a wonderful company and gave us some soup for our event, and we all enjoyed that last night, and we're going to enjoy some more today, a different variety. We had a tea blending table, and that's donated by Herbalists Without Borders, my Wish Flower Gardens project with Herbalists Without Borders. And yeah, so we're just getting into today. I think some people are probably still resting in their vehicles. Some people have been up. I've been up for a while, but kind of quiet in the cabin and getting the eggs done and washing some dishes. And yeah, gonna get into the day now.
You can really kind of overdo it if you.
Yeah, it was that condensed coconut milk.
Okay.
Oh,
they have condensed.
How's the linden infusion?
wonderful. Nice.
Starting the day right. Okay.
Much battery like that.
I had 3 batteries. You can get 30 minutes each battery.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's pretty much more.
We can preserve the smell. They smell so good.
I do too. I've been trying to be modest.
That so everything you see here is kind of like a no-build build for beginners.
Gotcha.
So yeah,
I
that's
love that.
me.
So while you were here, what were you working on?
And we love to like camp outdoors. We went camping for the first time together, like right after college.
Okay, go ahead.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah, we're gonna see.
Oh, that's a tiny too.
Really tiny beanie. Come on, dude.
Oh, he's not. It's the red belly.
Come on, dude. I'm not trying to hurt you.
You just pinch his junk gently.
Get on up there.
Okay, let me give it.
I don't know where he went. Where did?
I'll give it a shot.
Oh, there he is. He's slithering
Maybe
away.
I need something wider. Like this.
Is he poisonous? No, I don't think these are poisonous.
Oh, really?
No.
let's just
No?
let it be.
Oh, well, then I will pick it up. I just don't want you to drive on it.
Yeah.
If it's not poisonous, I'll
The
pick
red
it up.
bellies. I have these all the time in my neighborhood.
Well, just remember what I said, y'all, that
Right.
I'll pick it up.
Right.
Come here, baby. Okay, come on.
Good energy. I do too. I've been trying to.
Yes.
Anybody else want to play?
Thank you.
I hope Khalid went to get his instrument.
The beer and bow.
Beer and bow, beer and bow. Y'all want to hear? There's a token in Capoeira where like when they would play hoardas in secret in the sugarcane fields to hide it away from, you know, saying the overseers and the slave masters. If they were playing and they were hearing horses coming in the distance, or they were like feeling like there might be intruders who were trying to peep them training, they would play this toka, and this toka would signal to everybody like, okay, let's get back into the mimicry and the dance aspect that, you know what I'm saying, look like kind of like tomfoolery, so that they can feel that we're not training a martial art. So this is like it kind of see if you can hear or sense the gallop. So that's the token that they would play. Did it sound like there was like a galloping or a rhythm? So that's like using sounds and sound as a message, as a transmitting of like an actual thought, not just like a feeling, but like when you hear the sound, you think a word, you think a sentence or a phrase. So I just thought I'd share that little Black history, you know what I'm saying? Moment with you, just a little something, you know, insert that in there where we can continue with the jam session, you know what I'm saying? Just vibing out, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah.
Appreciate it. We appreciate it.
Like, I'm about to go to sleep in this
Yeah,
chair.
don't put you nap time, yo. Residency, Feral Arts Residency.
Feral Arts Residency. Far.
There you go.
Oh,
Okay.
you go far. I
goodness
like
gracious.
it. Good.
Anything you need, you can just take them out too. Feel free to like explore and see what's in here.
Ooh.
You know, she's doing the driveway, and I'm doing, you know, my.
Oh, that's cool. I see the bus already.
Yeah,
In the van.
Yeah, the van. Gray, there's got to be a gray in there somewhere, but if not, you can mix some white with some black together.
Wow.
Nice. This is daughter of this beautiful thing.
Is that the van store?
Yeah, that's
the van.
yeah.
That's beautiful.
I'm so glad she got off the car.
Wait, hold on.
What you just said about the hot springs in Virginia.
Oh,
How many there are?
there are over 100 warm springs. Not hot. Yeah, the hot springs is like 80 degrees plus. Warm springs is just warm. Like it can be from 60 to like 70s.
Okay. Go VA. 2 up, 2 down.
And they have that.
All right.
Lucretia, put my number in your phone and text me.
All right, the last of the crew is heading out today on the road. I'm glad 2 people that had met before at another event, they met here again, and now they get to travel down the road together.